Welcome back, travelers. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison of two popular storage solutions, packing cubes and space bags. When it comes to maximizing space and staying organized while packing, these two options are often go-to choices. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and drawbacks of packing cubes and space bags. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Introduction to packing cubes and space bags. Let's start by introducing packing cubes and space bags. Packing cubes are lightweight and rectangular-shaped storage organizers that help compartmentalize and compress your belongings. Space bags, on the other hand, are airtight plastic bags that use vacuum seal technology to compress and maximize storage space.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Organization and compartmentalization. When it comes to organization, packing cubes excel. They come in various sizes and allow you to separate different types of clothing or items into individual cubes. This makes it easier to locate specific items during your trip. Space bags, although they compress items, do not offer the same level of organization. Once items are compressed in a space bag, it becomes challenging to access specific items without unpacking the entire bag. Space maximization. When it comes to space maximization, space bags have the advantage. By using vacuum seal technology, space bags can compress bulky items such as clothing, bedding, or jackets, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase or storage area. Packing cubes, while they do not compress items, make efficient use of space by neatly organizing and stacking your belongings. Wrinkle prevention. Wrinkle prevention is a consideration when choosing between packing cubes and space bags. Packing cubes, by keeping clothes neatly folded and separated, help minimize wrinkles. They allow you to pack items in a more structured manner, reducing the likelihood of clothes becoming wrinkled during transit. Space bags, on the other hand, can cause items to become tightly compressed, potentially leading to more wrinkles in certain fabrics. Ease of use and accessibility. When it comes to ease of use and accessibility, packing cubes are the clear winner. They are easy to pack and unpack, as you can simply place the cubes in your suitcase or storage area and access specific items as needed. Space bags require a vacuum cleaner or a hand pump to remove the air, which may not always be readily available during your travels. Durability and reusability. Both packing cubes and space bags are designed to be durable and reusable. Packing cubes, usually made of nylon or polyester, are known for their strength and ability to withstand repeated use. Space bags are made of durable plastic that is designed to be puncture-resistant. However, it's important to note that space bags may be more prone to wear and tear over time due to the vacuum seal process. Versatility and suitability. Packing cubes are versatile and suitable for various travel scenarios. They can be used in suitcases, backpacks, or even in drawers for organized storage. Space bags are best suited for situations where compression and maximizing space are the primary goals, such as when packing bulky items like winter clothing or bedding. Packing cubes and space bags offer different storage solutions for travelers. Packing cubes excel in organization, accessibility, and wrinkle prevention. They allow you to efficiently compartmentalize your belongings and access specific items easily. On the other hand, space bags are ideal for maximizing space by compressing bulky items, but may lack the same level of organization and accessibility. Consider your travel needs, the type of items you're packing, and your preference for organization when choosing between packing cubes and space bags. Thanks for joining us today, and happy packing!